All right. God damn it. Been wanting to make. Gosh dang it. All right. So this is take 3 of my intro because the first take was crappy. The second take got interrupted by a cat a whole bunch of times. So I am retrying to do this intro. Let's go. My name is Cece. My nickname's Cece. It's not my real name, but I don't really feel like putting my real name on there. People who watch this will probably know me, but anyways, I'm going by Cece. I am a 21-year-old stay-at-home mom of 2, and I am recording videos for anybody who's in the same situation as me, like a young mom, freaking in the military, living in an RV, whatever it may be. I just wanted to make content again because I did a long time ago, but that was about college, and that didn't go so well. So we're here now as a young mother of 2 in Virginia instead of Idaho, where we're originally from, which we miss so very, very much. But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean the RV. You probably didn't want that long explanation of what I was saying. So yeah, let's get into cleaning the mess that I have procrastinated on cleaning for a day and 2, depending on the areas that you're talking about. So let's get into that video. Alright, I figured I should show you guys what we're working with. We got disaster over there, semi-disaster, wow, semi-disaster over there, sleeping children. Trust me, he's comfortable and fine. That's how he likes to sleep. Sleepy girl right there. I gotta make this too when they wake up. And then of course the dishes that I have not done. So we're gonna start out with dishes because I'm motivated to clean right now. If I'm not motivated to clean, they will never get done. So let's start with those bad boys right there. We do have colored walls. If anybody sees this and they have an opinion on the lower color, I've been talking to Sean and he doesn't agree with me, but I think that the lower color should be gray instead of the white. Everywhere else can continue to be white, but I want to paint that like a light gray. So if you'll leave a comment agreeing with me, I would love it so very, very much so I can rub it in his face. All right, kind of lied. First thing first, getting food out for dinner to thaw. Frozen food. This is what our freezer looks like. Freaking, and those are mine. Yes, all right. Food out. Now let's get these things done. Alright guys, this is what we're working with. I got the dishes done. Wow, it's focusing on my finger. Meat thawed out. Counters semi cleaned off. Now it's time. There's Boogaboo. Now it's time for the rest of the RV. To the video, huh? Let's get into that. Let's get into cleaning. What are you doing?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Are you wanting to color? You want to color? Okay.
It's ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Alright guys, finished cleaning. Sean's home. Aki's telling Dada no because he's tickling Bear. Cleaning is done. It was a lot of work. It's so bad, but I can't.
Doing?
I'm trying to do the ending.
What are you doing?
I'm trying. Let's retry that. Alright, I'm done cleaning for the day. If you guys like my content, please like, subscribe, comment something, I don't know. Literally comment the word something. It helps me out. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be posting more videos, so just keep up to date with me on that, and I'm gonna out.